Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a satisfying Seamoss drink. It's very healthy and let me tell you, something to try. We are going to go in the kitchen and make it right now. So this is some Seamoss syrup. You don't want to use all, you want to use just a little piece because it goes a very long way. It has a lot of salt in it and some debris, so we want to get that removed. As you can see that I'm going to open it. It's just a little piece that I'm using. And this is like one part I have to remove. Like this. If you can get it out now, then when you soak it, you will eventually get out all the little pieces that is needed to be removed. So first what I'm going to do is to wash it thoroughly. Remove all those little pieces there. Wash it thoroughly for like 2 to 3 times and then soak it overnight in water so that it can expand. Now is the next day. I'm not going to boil my Seamoss. I'm going to use it raw. Alright? Wash it again for another 2 or 3 times and then we're going to place it into our blender cup. Now this recipe that I'm giving you, you can add more to it. I'm just using what I have in hand. I have some very small dates. I'm adding some peanut butter for extra nutty flavor. And along with some ground cinnamon, some essence. You can add your nutmeg, whatever you want into yours. Condensed milk, sugar. No, I'm not using any sugar, but you add any sweetener of your choice. The milk to go with this is almond milk. All right? And it's just that simple. I'm going to blend this up until it becomes smooth and thick and nice. Guys, you cannot miss out on this Seamoss drink. Look at the texture. Just the way I want it. And at this time, I'm going to place it in the fridge and let it get very cold. No ice into my drink. It just water it down. And this is what our Seamoss drink looks like, guys. Trust me, very healthy, very satisfying. Let me tell you, you need to try it. It's nutty. It just tastes good. And it's simple and easy to put together. So give it a try. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy, guys, and all the ingredients and measurements are going to be listed in the description box below. I forgot to say that.